put your wood in the water for at least 10 minutes. Make sure that your name is on both pieces of your wood so it does not get confused with anybody else's projects that may be soaking for steam bending. So you'll take your pieces of side wood that have been soaked for at least 10 minutes. You'll put them into your press. Make sure that they are book matched. You'll set the heating blanket in on top of it. You'll make sure the heating blanket completely covers the wood. Then what you'll do is you'll place this brace block on the end of the bolt and tighten this down till it is pinching against the silicone heating pad. Once this is pinched down, you can feel free to adjust the wood as it's going to be pinched in place. After you're adjusted, you will put your thermocoupler heat sensor between the heating blanket and the wood, and you'll plug in the heating blanket. You'll turn on the green switch. The red 64, that says the temperature of it currently is 64 degrees, and 300 is the temperature that this is going to become. So that will become 300 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll turn this on, and now the electricity is flowing to the heating blanket. You'll see the temperature is going to be creeping up rather quickly. We're already going up. In about 1 minute, it will be almost 180 degrees. When it starts to be 180 degrees, we'll start our press process to go into the first initial bend. And then when it hits about 200 to 210 degrees, we will start to bend the sides all the way down. So we're going up quite quickly. We are at 170, so I'll start cranking this rather slowly. As I bring this down, sometimes it's already steaming back here by my side. I'll use a spray bottle if I need to add additional water, because I do not want the wood to go dry just yet. So you'll use the spray bottle, spray underneath, lifting up, spraying on top, which you'll see the temperature drop back down. Make sure the wood stays wet through the process. And then we use these blocks to iron out, and the spring force will assist in the steam bending process. It's always good to do this with a partner the first few times you do it to ensure quality control. You may need to press on the wooden blocks to ensure a good sealed fit. Now, since water boils at 212 degrees, that's why it seems to pause here. After the water starts to evaporate, it will creep up. You're going to wait till it gets to 300 degrees, and then you're going to wait about 2.5 minutes to 3.5 minutes, and then you can turn the whole machine off. After about half an hour, it will cool down completely, and you will be able to take apart the machine, and you will end up with your two book matched sides.